Mount Bromo, an iconic volcano located in East Java, Indonesia, stands as a mesmerizing natural wonder that draws travelers from around the world. Its surreal landscapes, ancient caldera, and ethereal beauty create an otherworldly experience that captivates the senses and offers a range of activities for adventure seekers and nature enthusiasts. The sunrise view from Mount Penanjakan, one of the best vantage points, is a highlight that should not be missed. As the first light of day illuminates the mist-shrouded landscapes, the sight of Mount Bromo emerging from the clouds creates a breathtaking spectacle that is both surreal and awe-inspiring. To get even closer to the volcano's heart, visitors can embark on a trek across the Sea of Sand, a vast expanse of volcanic ash that surrounds Bromo. Ascending the steep stairway to the rim of the crater provides an intimate view of Bromo's simmering crater and the surrounding rugged terrain. For a different perspective, horseback riding is a popular way to traverse the Sea of Sand and reach the base of the volcano. The rhythmic clip-clop of hooves against the ash creates a unique experience that harks back to traditional modes of exploration. The nearby Mount Bromo National Park offers a sanctuary for various plant and animal species, making it an excellent destination for ecotourism. The savanna-like landscapes and lush hillsides provide a serene backdrop for nature walks, birdwatching, and photography. Climbing to the summit of Mount Bromo itself is a rewarding adventure for those seeking a more challenging experience. The journey begins with an early morning hike through the Sea of Sand, followed by a steep ascent to the rim of the crater. The view from the top is a surreal panorama of volcanic landscapes and the surrounding mountains. The Matakaripura waterfall, located nearby, adds another layer of enchantment to the area. Hidden within a verdant canyon, this towering waterfall is a serene oasis surrounded by lush foliage, creating a tranquil spot for relaxation and exploration. The Tenggerese people, an indigenous group, inhabit the region and follow age-old customs and traditions. Visitors can engage with their way of life and immerse in cultural experiences, such as attending the annual Yadnya Kasada festival, where offerings are made to the gods of Mount Bromo. In essence, Mount Bromo offers an unforgettable journey into the heart of nature's grandeur. Whether it's witnessing the sunrise from a majestic viewpoint, trekking through volcanic landscapes, or immersing in local culture, Mount Bromo invites travelers to embark on an adventure that captures the mystical allure of Indonesia's natural beauty.